Consumer Reports put the Aveo and the Focus to a head-to-head braking test. When tested with anti-lock brakes, results revealed that the Aveo's stopping distance was a full 6 feet shorter than the Focus's when decelerating from 60 miles per hour to a full stop. Aveo's stopping distance was 137 feet. Focus's stopping distance was 143 feet.
So, you're driving in heavy highway traffic and the guy in front of you is talking away on his cell phone, doesn't pay any attention to all the brake lights going on in front of him. He finally jams on the brakes at the last second. You come to a screeching stop and nearly crash into the back. Now you know why you want a car with superior braking distance.